These are the 3 ingredients that you need to protect your immune system from bacteria and viruses. These are the natural bomb you need to protect your immune system. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep them. So if you are looking for videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel and to also be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. But before I proceed, I want to say a very big thanks to all my subscribers, those that subscribe to me and those that never subscribe. I will keep saying it. May God bless each and every one of you because you watch my video and you also subscribe. Thank you for supporting. May God support you in all your life endeavors. And I also want to greet each and every one of you out there. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, depending from where you are watching me. I love you all. I appreciate each and every one of you. That is why I am making all these videos, to teach people how to live a healthy life, to teach people to be the best they can be, and to teach people to be healthy, because health is wealth. If you are not healthy, how can you fend for yourself? How can you do your daily activities? With all these ingredients, you will have a healthy life. That is why I bring out my time to make videos, to teach people out there to be healthy, to teach people how to use our God-given resources to treat some diseases. That is why I am making this video. From the knowledge I acquired from my people, that is what I am sharing, to make people out there to be healthy. That is my aim of making all these videos. I want the best for everyone, and I want the best for each and every one of us. So let's continue. How are you going to use these 3 ingredients to protect your immune system against bacteria and virus? This recipe works, and it works perfectly. It works wonder. This is tested and trusted. Make sure that you take this recipe as far as you want your immune system to be good, as far as you want to clear your immune system to be in a better state. Use this recipe today. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you know how you can prepare this drink or juice or recipe to the best, for you to get a maximum result, for you to get the exact thing you want from this video. And what is that exact thing? It is to know how to clear your immune system and protect your immune system against bacteria and viruses. Then how are you going to use these ingredients? There are: 1, get this lime, like 3 or 4 or 5, depending the quantity you want to get and how strong you want it to be. But if you are using this lime or putting all this, make sure that you will never take it in a high dosage to avoid effects in the stomach. But I will tell you how to take it to avoid overdosage or overdose. Then take this lime, get this lime like 3 or 4 or 5, maximum 5. Cut it into pieces. Cut it into pieces. After washing, cut it into pieces and put it in a pot. This garlic, scrape it, grind it. After grinding it, put the chaff into the pot. You put this lime. The same thing goes with this garlic. Bring it like 5 to 10 seeds. Scrape it, grind it, and put it in the same pot that you put the others. Then boil it for about 5 minutes. Boil it like 3, 4, or 5 minutes for it to boil. After that, bring it down and allow it to cool. After cooling like 3 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, filter it. Once you filter it, you are good to go. Now, direction on how to use it. After it might have cooled, put it in a jug or in a container where you want to preserve it. Take 2 teaspoonfuls morning and night for complete 2 good weeks, or you can say a week, but it depends when you get your results. A week is okay, but if you never get the result you want, you can make it 2 weeks. Maybe you are seeing some signs, symptoms of bacteria or viruses in your body. Take it a week. If you did not see effects or results, continue with it till 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you must see a better result. This is tested and trusted. I assure you that this recipe works wonders. Tested and trusted. You must come back here and give me testimony. Just do as I said. Prepare the recipe as I direct you. After, you might have take this thing into 5 pieces. After washing, cut it into pieces, put it in a pot. Scrape these 2, grind them, put it in the same pot with this lime, and boil it for about 3 to 5 minutes and bring it down. Filter it and allow it to cool. Take 2 teaspoonfuls morning and night for complete 1 week. If you never get results, continue to 2 weeks. You must come back here and give me testimony. So that is it. I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoy this video. If you get value, comment on this video, and I want you to comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and family. Subscribe to support this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.